In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an event in Discord. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clear, clickable event your members can see and join at the right time. Start by opening Discord and heading to the server where you want the event to live. Make sure you have permission to manage events on that server. If you can see the server settings and create channels, you're usually good to go. Look to the top left of the server where the server name appears. Click the small down arrow next to that name to open the server menu. From that menu, choose Create Event. This opens the event setup window and prompts you to decide where the event will happen. You have three options. Voice channel is the best choice if you want people to hop straight into a voice room at the start time. Pick the exact voice channel your community should join. Stage channel is designed for a panel or audience format, where a few speakers present and everyone else listens until invited to talk. If you already use stages for announcements or interviews, choose that and select your stage channel. Somewhere else is perfect for anything hosted outside of Discord or in a place that isn't a voice or stage channel. Use this if you're sharing a streaming link, a meeting URL, a text channel name for a chat-based event, or even a physical location for an in-person meetup. Next, fill out the event details. Give your event a clear name so people instantly know what it is. Set the date and start time carefully. Discord will display it in each member's local time zone, so you don't have to convert, but double-check the day and hour to avoid confusion. Add a concise description that explains what to expect, what to bring or prepare, and any rules or guidelines you want participants to follow. If you're using somewhere else, paste the link or enter the location so attendees can get where they need to be without asking. Before you publish, take a moment to review everything. Confirm the channel or location, the start time, the event name, and the description. When it all looks right, click Create Event or Schedule Event to finalize. Your event will now appear in the server's event list, and members can see the details and set reminders. That's all it takes to schedule a Discord event cleanly and confidently.